Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a customer portal with Memberful step by step clearly. To create a customer portal with Memberful, begin by logging into your Memberful account. On the dashboard, locate the settings section on the left-hand menu. Click on Integrate to access the integration options. Scroll down to find the Customer Portal section. Here, you will see an option to enable the customer portal. Toggle the switch to activate the customer portal feature. Next, customize the portal settings according to your preferences. You can choose to allow customers to manage subscriptions and update payment information. Once you've made your selections, click on the Save Changes button to apply them. Now, head over to the Pages section in the left-hand menu. Select Add a new page to create a dedicated link for the customer portal. In the page editor, give your page a title like Customer Portal. Then, add the shortcode provided by Memberful to embed the customer portal. Save the new page once the content is entered. Next, navigate to your website to add the link to the customer portal. Make sure it's easily accessible from your main navigation. Finally, test the customer portal feature by logging in as a customer. Ensure that you can access subscription details and edit any necessary information. With these steps completed, your customer portal is now fully activated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.